Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Automation using Ansible. We're diving into how Ansible simplifies AWS management without making you pull your hair out. We'll explore why Ansible is a top pick, how to set it up, and walk through real-world examples. By the end, you'll feel like an automation wizard, minus the hat and wand. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's start by understanding what AWS offers. Think of it as a giant toolbox in the cloud. Then, we introduce Ansible, a friendly automation tool that saves time and headaches. We'll also discuss how Ansible works with AWS and the benefits of using them together. Spoiler alert, it makes life easier. Ansible is like that friend who helps you move without asking for pizza. No agents needed. With easy YAML configurations, minimal scripting, and scalability, automation becomes effortless. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to efficiency. Setting up Ansible on AWS sounds fancy, but it's straightforward. We'll install Ansible, configure credentials, set up secure access, and run a test. By the end, you'll be ready to automate like a pro, without breaking a sweat. Let's face it, manually provisioning EC2 instances is like washing dishes by hand when you own a dishwasher. With Ansible, you just write a playbook and voila. Define instance parameters, set IAM roles, and automate the whole process. And of course, don't forget to check if your instances are actually up and running. Because nothing ruins a good automation story like finding out your servers never showed up to the party. Security groups are like the bouncers of your cloud infrastructure. They decide who gets in and who stays out. Using Ansible, we can automate their setup so that our virtual security team never takes a coffee break. Define rules, ensure compliance, and keep an eye on changes. Because an open SSH port to the world is just an invitation for trouble. Creating S3 buckets manually. That's so last decade. Ansible makes it effortless. Define your bucket properties, set permissions, enable encryption, and even automate lifecycle rules. It's like having a personal storage assistant who never forgets to lock the door or clean up old files. Deploying applications should be smooth, not a nerve-wracking experience. With Ansible, we automate the process. Code goes in, configurations are applied, and AWS services integrate seamlessly. The best part, you can finally deploy without biting your nails or praying for a miracle. Ansible is great, but great power comes with great responsibility. Secure automation with role-based access, streamline execution with smart task ordering, and keep playbooks version controlled. Because chaos is only fun in movies, not in cloud automation. Automation hiccups. It happens. Debugging failed tasks is part of the game. Whether it's credential mishaps, network issues, or playbooks throwing tantrums, don't panic. With a little debugging and some Ansible magic, things will be back on track in no time. And that's a wrap. We've seen how Ansible transforms AWS automation from tedious to terrific. Whether provisioning instances, securing access, or deploying applications, it's your go-to tool. The journey doesn't stop here. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep automating. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.